Hi friends, so today we are going to know that how to balance the chemical equation. In previous sessions we learned what is the chemical equation. So now for the law of conservation of mass, we need to balance this equation so that the atoms are equal on both sides. So let's understand how to balance it. So step 1, write a unbalanced equation. So for example, I take the example hydrogen gas when reacts with oxygen gas, it gives water. So now we are going to make a list of number of atoms on both sides. So hydrogen and oxygen. Here we have two hydrogen and here also we have two hydrogen. Here we have two oxygen, but here we have only one oxygen. So now make the number of atoms on both sides equal. How we'll do so? So we are going to multiply this 1 by 2. So the now equation will look like this. Because this is a whole formula. If you will write, for example, many students write 2 here and make it balanced. But it's wrong because here our product is water, which is hydrogen oxide, but this is hydrogen peroxide. So we are not going to change the reaction, hence we can't change the formula. So we have to write it in the front only. So when we will write it in the front, so what will look like? So now we have 2 oxygen and 2 oxygen. But the problem is here we have 2 hydrogen, but here we have 4. So to make it 4, we will multiply by 2. So the final equation will look like 2H2 plus oxygen gives you 2 water molecules. So when we got this equation, which is H2 plus O2 gives H2O, it's also balanced. So now what's missing? It's missing some information that it can give you. So what state is it in? It's in gaseous state. Here this is also in gaseous state, but it forms a liquid. So you can write this down, the physical states in a bracket along with their symbols, and your equation will look more informative. Sometimes your equation requires a specific energy, especially in decomposition reactions, which are we going to discuss in our next sessions. So you can, on the arrow, you can mention that how much energy they need or how much energy, how much temperature they need to perform certain reactions. So this was all about balancing a chemical equation. Hope you understand. So now we have understand how to balance it. So now I am giving you homework about when you react magnesium with oxygen gases give you magnesium oxide. So you need to balance this equation. So this is your homework. Thank you and hope you understand how to balance a chemical equation.